Bingo.
There we go. And we're running. Face dad. Are you ready? You ready, dude?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with Avi and I. I'm JB, and we're here at Sunnyvale Skate Park to teach you guys how to drop in on a vert wall today. Yeah! Let's get it. The prerequisites for this are going to be to know how to drop in already. So if you know how to do that, awesome. If you don't know how to do that, click this button, catch up with us, and then come back, work on your vert wall drop-ins. So for you and everybody else, when you drop in, we're going to start on this is a 7-foot drop-in. It needs to be about 6 feet or bigger. The goal for you when learning how to drop in on a vert wall is to get the lowest center of gravity possible. That means you need to tuck your body weight down. And you're gonna tuck your body weight down before you drop in. So, typically when I drop in, I just lean forward. Look, I just lean forward and then bend down as my front wheels hit. Now, to do a vert wall drop in, you're gonna start to tuck your body down first, then drop in so that I'm already nice and low to be compressed against the top of the wall, the top of the ramp. Here's your basic drop in. Avi, let me see you drop in right here. That was perfect. Now, to add to that, here's a good practice point to learn when working towards doing your vert wall drop in on a normal quarter pipe. Again, this is 7 feet tall. I'm gonna get my feet in my normal drop in position. I'm gonna start bend my body weight down so that my hand touches the coping as I drop in, just like this. Body starts dropping. So I hope you guys can see my hand touches the coping as I drop in, and that proves that I'm compressed and nice and low and tight against the ramp. In case anything bad happens, it'll keep me from floating away. As I stay nice and tight against that wall, that allows me to stand up and create compression against the ramp to push my wheels to help prevent floating off of the wall. All right, let me see you drop in right here, Avi. Try to touch that coping. Take a nice deep breath, make sure you get your feet set. And as you bend down, try to get your hand to touch the coping. That's it.
That was easy for him.
Dude, he did that awesome, didn't he? Good job, man. How'd that feel?
Good.
Try it one more time, and I want you to drop into your pump and exaggerate your pump this time. Try to get as much speed as possible as you drop in. Big tuck. That's it. As you start to drop in and get as much compression as possible to gain as much speed as possible, the goal for that is to stay tucked and press against the ramp. Next, we're gonna start building some confidence, and we're gonna do that by sitting on the edge of the coping, and I want you to push off. So you're gonna sit your bum on the edge of the coping, push off, and knee slide in. So look at, so notice how he scoots himself to the edge of the coping. He puts his hands on each side of the coping, and he's gonna hop off and tuck his legs up under him. So pull your legs up to one side. There you go, now push off and into your knee slide. Perfect. That was cool.
That was scary.
You're doing fantastic, dude. So I want everybody to see. Show me your hands. Cool, now show me where you're grabbing that coping. Perfect, on the sides. And now you're gonna tuck those legs up onto the side. So you can pick either way. You can go one way or the other way, whatever feels comfortable. And then start to scoot your cheeks out on the edge of the coping and then push off and into the coping. Push off and into the ramp. There you go. That was perfect, dude. Perfect. You wanna try it?
That?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, vert wall time. Let's try it. Look at that. Looks kind of gnarly, huh? What do you think? That's a lot of vert right here. All the way in.
Oh my God.
All right, now let yourself slide. See? Oh! Now we're gonna slide down like sliding board. I'm going with you. Okay, scoot to the edge. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. Kind of gnarly, but you did it perfect, right? Start. So you missed all the vert, and then you landed right where the coping starts, right? Yeah. Take your big deep breath, and then I'm gonna run down with you right here. Okay. Front foot goes up. 1, 2, 3. Big tuck. That's it. Good, Avi. Yeah, Avi. Hey, dude. Fantastic, fantastic, man. I'm proud of you. How'd it feel?
Good.
Good.
Try again.
Let's try it again. Back to the top. So right there, Avi's a shredder. He has the confidence, and he's having fun doing it. So he wants to push himself, works through the butterflies, and commits to his drop-in.
That was crazy. That was awesome.
I'm so proud of you, man. That was great. Yep. We're gonna go 2 fingers, okay? Remember, take a nice deep breath. Make sure your feet are where they need to be. Put your front foot up first so that you don't miss your board, okay? Look around, make sure nobody else is coming into the bowl. Check your other drop-in points so nobody else drops in while you're going. Front foot goes up, nice big deep breath. Ready? Front foot, 1, 2, 3, start tucking. Good. Woo! Like that last drop-in he did, his wheels actually missed a lot of the vert. So he literally just floated all the way down, and then he caught kind of just past where the pink halo is.
And that's
right there.
not ideal.
It's not ideal, but I mean, if it doesn't bother him, it's not the end of the world, but it's best if he keeps contact the whole time. So now we're gonna try this again, and we're gonna exaggerate. I don't know if you saw the last one, that he did miss most of the vert. So this time I want him to compress and try to push his legs against the wall. So it's pretty much like slowly standing up is what I mean by compress. That way you create a force against the wall to push your wheels against the wall, because otherwise your boards just kind of float and barely make it down the ramp. But if you put force against, it'll stay connected. 1, 2, 3, big tuck. Good. He's still floating a little bit, but he'll get it as he practices more. Pinky, don't rip my pinky off.
Okay.
Take a nice deep breath. Remember, look around, front foot up, make sure it's where it needs to be. Okay, 1, 2, 3, big tuck. Good. Good, Avi. Fantastic, man. It's so inspiring. It's so inspiring. It's like totally motivational to get other people to do this. It's fantastic. Seriously, this stuff makes my day. Like, is
he scared?
Yeah, yeah.
What?
Everybody is, man. It doesn't matter. This is the big difference. People ask me, like, what's the difference between skateboarding and sports? This is the difference. Like, there's so much fear that can be in skateboarding that's different than sports. You can do this. I promise you. I promise you, you can do it. Just make sure you tuck and drop in. Stay nice and tucked and you'll make it. I promise you. Big deep breath. Yep. Front foot goes up. 1, 2, 3, big tuck. That's it. Yeah, Avi. Good job, dude. Hey. So awesome, man. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good, man. Pretty intense?
No.
No? You got that, huh? Dude, you're savage. Hey, I like your shirt. Let me see the back of the shirt. Hey. Hey, dude, so proud of you. Thank you for letting me film this, man. Focus on your tuck. 1, 2, 3. Big tuck. Yeah! Dude, fantastic, Avi. Hey, thanks for letting me film this today. I really appreciate it, man. I hope it helps a lot of people. Do you hope it helps other people?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hey, I'll see you again. Remember, if these videos inspire you, please share them with others. Consider sending a donation to support us, and click the description box for all the details on the donations, as well as companies that help support this channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back here for another edition of Skatepark Lessons. I want to give a little update to everybody and apologize for not being as consistent as typical. I have gone back to school. I'm currently taking EMT class. I made class president, and I'm working my way to becoming a firefighter and hopefully fire captain one day. I appreciate your support and thank you for your patience. I'll continue to make more videos every time I can. I appreciate your consistent support and sharing the channel with other people, as well as watching the videos and sending donations. Thank you so much. See you back here for more Skatepark Lessons. Woo!
Straight up.
That was awesome. Good job, Avi.